Guys, it's a good day. We are heading out crappie fishing. The last about month and a half, ice conditions have been pretty crappy. A lot of slush, a lot of snow, and now finally got some melting going on. The lakes are back to good conditions. So we're gonna head out and try to catch some spring crappies. The bite should be pretty good. We're busting out the tip downs, and just gotta go home and get my gear. Got a couple guys going out with us. Try to get on some big old crappies today, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Any fish down there?
Yeah, there's a few.
Awesome.
See if we can get on a couple of them.
Well, there's about, I don't know. We're bottoming out the auger. A lot of slush in the holes, but we got it out. Finally ready to start setting up some rods. Got the tip downs out today, and get those set up and probably jig a little bit too. So. My damn line broke. Unreal. Unreal. Ah, dang it. Oh, he's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. He just came off. Nice. Beautiful. This guy's gonna go back though. Oh, how's oh, yep, got it. Oh, this is a nice fish. Oh yeah, that's what we're out here looking for, guys. Right here. Nice crappies. We just had 2 hit. Show you Austin's here. Get this guy unhooked. Show that to the camera. Ooh, that is a nice one. Dang. 2 nice ones right there. Boom. That's how we like it. Oh, nothing there. Might have been the wind. Lost it? Oh my goodness. It's kind of nice. I can film you from over here sitting down.
Lazy, are we?
Oh, I know. Lazier now. Ooh, that's a nice fish. I don't lose them. Oh, nice crappie. Jesus. Nice one?
Feels like it.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That's a nice one.
Nice fish.
Awesome. 3rd time's a charm on that, eh? Zach just measured that one. Broke the 12-inch mark finally. That's a nice fish. That's a good crappie. Those will eat nice for a fish fry. We're trying to get some more of those for sure. I don't know if we can. What do you think? Think we're in for a bigger one? Yeah? I think so too. Oh geez, the camera's not. Biggin? Oh yeah. Feels alright. That thing's huge. Nice one. Yeah, that'll eat. Show him to the camera. Ooh, beautiful. Almost 12. 11 3/4. Beat it by a quarter inch. Not bad. Oh, he's there again. No. Oh. Got him. Nice fish. Maybe it's a little smaller. I don't know. See it? Little guy. Nice fishies. I knew you were going to say that. Yeah, that's a real slob. Back into the depths. I need a new... Who's got the wax worm? Oh, no! That was a huge fish. Oh my God, that might have been the 15-incher. Oh my Lord, that thing was giant. Nice. Oh yeah, that's a nice fish. That is a big one.
All dang time. That's one I probably missed 20 times.
Jeez, sweet. Measurement on this guy here. Oh yeah. That's 13 and about an eighth. Big one, wrapped around.
Nice.
Really?
Oh, no.
Oh, get him. There we go. Nice.
What is going on?
That's funny. Nice little crappie. He's gonna go back though. Oh, look at that. Look at that beautiful throw. Right down.
That was a cluster.
Yeah, we had 3 fish just boom. Awesome. Austin's really catching them over here now. That's another keeper. You don't even have to get off your bucket. I'll go take it over there for you. How about that? Dang. Sweet fish, buddy. Sweet fish. These are some nice crappies.
Even though it eats you? Oh, mine is so good. That's a nice one.
Hold that bad boy up.
Bottom lip.
Beautiful. This is a nice fish. Yeah, it's a nice one. That's okay. Not huge. He choked her. How's Spitty doing?
Just great.
That's good. Glad you could join us. Glad you could join us. Where do you want a hole? We'll drill you one even. This one's nice. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Sweet. Right in the top of the lip. Oh, you like that rod? Oh, he's got him. He's got him. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Beautiful. Beautiful fish.
Come here, Billy.
Nice.
I haven't caught any crappies on this rod yet.
Fought pretty good.
Fishies.
Spitty and I are doubled up. Oh, look at this bad boy. Nice big fat perch. He's gonna go home. Oh, oh my God. That is a giant. That's biggin'. Sweet. That's a big fish. Ooh. It's nice. It's okay. Nice fish. It's an okay one. It's pretty good. Yep, pink and white. Well, we are gonna pack her up. We've had enough and the bite is pretty much shut down for the day, we think. So, we're gonna head her in. Caught quite a few fish. I'm gonna go look at the pile here. We gotta go show you guys the pile. Probably about a dozen, 15. Nice crappies. This one's the biggest one right here. Oop, oop, oop. That one's a giant, just a giant, 14 and a half. Beautiful day out here, as you can see. Blue skies, and should be good weather for the rest of the week. No minnows on any of those. Oh, that could be why we're not catching any. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to go subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on the next one.